We are going to talk about the topic factorization that appears in paper 1 of HKDSE exam every year. There are 3 approaches. The first approach is extracting the common factor. The second approach is using identities, including the difference of two squares identity and the perfect square identities. The third approach is using the cross method. In part A of the question, we have to factorize 12x minus 4y. There are no terms with degree 2. So, the only way to factorize it is by extracting the common factor. We extract the common factor 4, and the answer is 4 times 3x minus y. 1 mark will be given for the correct answer. In part B, we see that part of the expression is exactly the same as that in part A. This is common in DSE questions. We can apply the result obtained in part A as the first step for solving part B. 1 mark will be given for using the result of part A. Then, we can focus on the remaining part of the expression. In the remaining part, we can extract the common factor, negative y squared, thus giving negative y squared times 3x minus y. We have 4 times 3x minus y minus y squared times 3x minus y. At this stage, most of the time, there will be identical parts in the 2 terms. We can extract this part as a common factor. In this case, we have 3x minus y times 4 minus y squared. 1 mark will be given for extracting the common factor. Note that we have to check whether the expression has been factorized completely. Actually, we can further factorize the expression 4 minus y squared by using the difference of two squares identity. We can write 4 minus y squared in the form of 2 squared minus y squared. Using the identity, this part becomes 2 plus y times 2 minus y. So, the answer is 3x minus y times 2 plus y times 2 minus y. 1 mark will be given for the correct answer. In question 2 part A, there are 3 terms. Some of them are terms with degree 2. Besides, 16 is a square number, which is equal to 4 squared. Can we use the perfect square identities to factorize this expression? Let's try. The term 16y squared can be written as 4y whole squared. The term in the middle, negative 8xy, can be written as negative 2 times x. That is the first term. Times 4y. That is the third term. This suggests that the expression can be written in the form of a perfect square, a minus b whole squared. So, the answer is x minus 4y whole squared. 1 mark will be given for the correct answer. In part B, same as what we did in question 1. Part of the expression is exactly the same as that in part A. Therefore, we can first apply the result obtained in part A to part B, putting this part as x minus 4y whole squared as the first step. For the remaining part, we can expect to find the expression x minus 4y, such that it can be extracted as a common factor. Let's extract the common factor negative 5 from the remaining part. The whole expression becomes x minus 4y whole squared minus 5 times x minus 4y. 1 mark will be given for using the result of part A. Now, we can extract x minus 4y from both parts. Doing so, we have x minus 4y times x minus 4y minus 5. 1 mark will be given for the correct answer. Question 3 is a multiple choice question. As usual, we can factorize the first 3 terms by the cross method first, and then extract the common factor, 2x minus 3y. The answer is 2x minus 3y times 3x plus 2y plus 1. The answer is A. Sometimes, we may find the answer to a multiple choice question with some special methods. Here are 2 methods. In the first method, we consider the coefficient of the term xy. From the question, the coefficient of the term xy is -5. Therefore, we may look for the answer option, whose coefficient of the term xy is equal to -5. Then, that will be the answer. Considering option A, how can we obtain the term xy? First, -3y times 3x is equal to -9xy. Then, 2x times 2y is equal to 4xy. We see that 4xy minus 9xy is equal to -5xy. We have to check the other 3 options. The coefficient of the term xy in each of the other 3 expressions is not -5. Therefore, the answer is A. In the second method, we can substitute the variables by different numbers. For example, we substitute x by 2 and y by 3 into the question first. The result is -65. Then we substitute x by 2 and y by 3 into the expression in each of the 4 options, and see which one is equal to -65 also. From the table, we see that only the result of option A is equal to -65. So, the answer is A. You have to find out which method is more suitable for you, so that you can handle the question in a shorter time during the examination.